video, we're going to be testing resistors. First of all, what's a resistor? A resistor limits or controls the flow of current in a circuit. So we're going to test this resistor. This is my multimeter. Power it on. This is ohms. You turn it to ohms. We have 200 ohms. We have 20k ohms. We have 200k ohms. So we have 1000. We have 1k ohms. This is 1k ohms. So I'll check the reading, 1k ohms, and then I'll put it in. This is 20k. This is 2k. So I'll put it under 2k. Since I don't have 1000, then I will test it. You see, we have 110. We have 109. So this is 1000 ohms. Then we have, this is 2.2k ohms. If you want to test it, we're going to go 2.2. We can put it here, 20k. I have to put it like this. This is 20k, we have 22. And decide to adjust it back to 2. Right. So you see, we have 216. And then the next one we have, this is 100k ohms, 100k. So we can put it right here. Because it's 200k ohms, so it's 95. It's not up to 100k, but it's 100k ohms. So this is how you test your resistors.